Hello everyone, my name is Gino and welcome to my low carb and keto cooking channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious low carb and keto friendly taco soup. So let's get into it. This is everything that you're going to need. 32 ounces of beef broth, some chopped garlic, 1 can of Rotel, chopped onions, garlic powder, cumin, chili powder, and a half a block of cream cheese. To this pan, I added a half a pound of ground beef that is cooked, that chopped garlic, about 1 tablespoon, 1 can of Rotel. Make sure you leave all the juice in there, don't drain it out. Next thing I'm going to add is 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin. Cumin is very smoky, it's going to give it a lot of flavor. The next thing we're going to need is a tablespoon of garlic powder and also some chopped onions. Now to that mixture, we're going to add 32 ounces of beef broth. And again, if you don't want to use ground beef, you can use ground turkey. Give it a good stir and this is what it's going to look like. Once you've added your beef broth, you're going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And in this cold weather that we're having these days, a great soup will help warm you up. So stir that up and it's going to give it that great flavor and also an excellent color. So to that, I have about a half a block of cream cheese that I softened. Stir it really well and look at that texture. So again, on these chilly nights when it is cold outside, we want to make this creamy taco soup. Again, it is keto friendly and it's low carb. Let that cook down for about a half an hour or so on low heat. Here are some suggestions for delicious toppings for your low carb and keto taco soup. You top it how you like it. So now that we're done making this low carb taco soup, let's top it off. So the first thing I'm gonna do is add some black olives, some cheese, a little bit of sour cream, of course, right? Have some avocado and we'll finish it off with some lime juice. All right, look how delicious that looks. Now it's time to taste it, right? So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with all your friends so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Make sure you click on that bell so when you are notified for my next video when I post it. So let's get into it now. Thank you for stopping by, and again, please like this and subscribe to my channel. Cheers! That is delicious.